Unbox and set up your HP Envy photo printer with the HP All-in Plan. Open the box and remove the Quick Start Guide and the ink cartridges. For guidance with setting up the printer, the Quick Start Guide includes helpful tips and details to complete the setup process. Set the box on its side and use the handle to remove the printer and the power cable. Remove all packing material from the printer. Plug the power cable into the rear of the printer. Then plug the other end into an outlet. The printer powers on. Select your language and then select Confirm. Select your country or region. To load paper, pull open the paper tray and slide out the guides. Load a stack of paper into the tray and adjust the guides to rest against the edges. Close the paper tray and open the output extender. To install ink, open the ink access door. The ink carriage moves into position. Remove the ink from the packaging. Then remove the protective tape on both ink cartridges. All protective tape must be removed for the printer to function properly. Slide the black and color cartridges into their slots and push up. The cartridges make a snap sound when they are in place. Close the ink access door. To complete printer alignment, select Align on the printer control panel and an alignment page prints. Once the page has printed, open the scanner lid. Place the page face down on the scanner glass. Align the page with the indicated corner. Close the scanner lid. Select Scan on the printer control panel. Wait for confirmation that alignment is complete, then select OK. It is now time to install the printer software. If you do not have the HP app, you can download it for free from your App Store or by going to hp.com/start/install. The HP app is required to complete the All-in Plan setup process. For the printer setup to be successful, you must have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on your device. Once you have installed the app, log into your HP account. You must log into the same account that you initially ordered the printer with. Select the option to add your printer. Then, select the option to set up a new printer. Once you see your printer, select the option to add it. The setup process begins. The app pairs your printer with the network. Once the printer is connected to your network, follow the remaining prompts. Your printer is registered with your HP All-in Plan account. Follow all remaining screens to complete the setup process. Once you have completed all prompts, you are returned to the home screen. Your All-in Plan printer is now ready to print using the HP app. To manage your printer subscription, on the Printer Details page, scroll down to the HP All-in Plan tile. You can select this tile to manage your account and change payment or shipping information if needed.